the film starts in the black, and we hear this, for lack of a better description, the ghost helicopter. I don't know where it got that name. Maybe Walter named it.
There is this disembodied helicopter which fully uses all 5 channels.
I was working in my studio here in the basement. There was this call, we need something to open the movie with, the sound of a helicopter.
I think it's safe to say that nobody who was working on the Apocalypse Now soundtrack had worked on a multi-channel mix before. That is, a movie that was going to play through multiple speakers in movie theaters. So a lot of planning was necessary.
Walter, who had been developing his ideas for some time with Francis, had arrived at a graphic representation for what I would call the acoustical or the sound architecture of the picture.
One of the things that he did was to draw very, very specific and precise visual representations of how the kinds of sounds were going to mesh with each other.
They provided, certainly for Walter, a way of crystallizing or making his ideas very concrete, and that information was always available. All you had to do is ask him, and these ideas would come out.
The first thing that you hear, even before you see anything,
especially if the one on the right
is this electronically synthesized helicopter.
Boost the surrounds and then
Lo and behold, that became this sort of signature opening of the movie. And you hear that it's actually Walter panned it around the theater. It's like it starts either in back or in front and moves around, and then when the image finally appears, it floats out of the left side of the screen in sync with the image and then drifts away, and then the doors take over.